Sustainable Nutrition by Health is for Life. 7. Feeding the 10 billion. Welcome to Health is for Life, where we tackle the biggest global health challenges of our time. Today, we're focusing on one of the most pressing issues of our generation: feeding 10 billion people. From sustainable agriculture to innovative food technologies, we'll explore the challenges and opportunities in feeding our rapidly growing population. Get ready to join the conversation on how we can nourish the world. The world is facing a major challenge to feed a growing population of 10 billion people by 2050. Food science and technology play a crucial role in finding solutions to this problem by reducing the environmental impact and carbon emissions associated with food production. New and innovative ideas are constantly being developed, such as cultured meat, which has the potential to reduce land use for meat production by up to 99%. Precision fermentation is another promising development, which allows for the production of essential ingredients such as animal proteins, vitamins, and minerals without the high environmental inputs of traditional methods. However, it's important to note that the complexity of fermentation also brings challenges. To reduce the carbon footprint of food production, multifunctional ingredients that can replace multiple ingredients in a food or beverage, such as a fiber that emulsifies and provides nutrition, can be useful. Another exciting development in the field of food technology is the use of robotics and automation in agriculture. By using robots to perform tasks like planting, harvesting, and pruning, farmers can increase their productivity while reducing the impact of human labor on the environment. The use of drones in agriculture is also becoming more widespread, providing farmers with high-resolution images of their crops and allowing them to more effectively manage their land. Lastly, the growing trend of plant-based diets is another way that food technology is impacting the future of food production. As more people adopt a vegetarian or vegan diet, food companies are developing innovative new products that mimic the taste and texture of meat while reducing the environmental impact of food production. In conclusion, food science and technology hold the key to feeding the world's growing population in a sustainable and environmentally friendly way. Innovations like cultured meat, precision fermentation, robotics, and plant-based diets are just a few examples of how the future of food production is being shaped by technology. Thank you for joining us on Health is for Life. We hope you found today's episode informative and inspiring, and that you'll come back soon to continue your journey towards a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss a chance to improve your health and well-being. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.